What if I told you there are AI tools that can save students more than 20 hours every single week? Most students still spend hours doing homework the hard way. Meanwhile, smart students are finishing the same work in a fraction of the time. Today, I'll show you the AI tools that every student should start using right now.
The best part is, many of these tools are completely free. They can help you write essays, research faster, study smarter, and even build amazing presentations.
But there's one mistake that almost every student makes.
Not every AI tool is actually worth your time.
I've tested dozens of AI tools to find the ones that truly make a difference.
Let's start with the first AI tool every student should be using today.
The first AI tool every student should know is ChatGPT. Instead of spending hours searching online, ChatGPT can explain complex topics in seconds. Whether you're studying math, science, literature, or coding, it becomes your personal AI tutor. It can organize messy notes into simple summaries that are much easier to remember.
It also helps improve essays by fixing grammar, structure, and clarity in seconds.
But here's something most students get completely wrong.
Never copy answers directly. Use AI to understand the material instead. The smartest students ask follow-up questions until they fully understand every concept.
Used correctly, ChatGPT can cut hours of studying down to just minutes.
Now let's look at another AI tool that can completely transform the way students do research.
The next AI tool is Perplexity AI, and it's a game changer for research.
Instead of giving random answers, it searches trusted sources and shows exactly where the information comes from.
That means you can actually verify everything before using it in your assignments. No more opening 20 browser tabs just to find one reliable answer.
Perplexity quickly summarizes long articles and highlights the most important information.
It's perfect for science projects, research papers, presentations, and class reports. But even AI research isn't perfect. Always open the original source before quoting facts in your assignments. Used the right way, Perplexity helps students research faster while staying accurate. Now let's move on to an AI tool that makes taking notes easier than ever.
The next AI tool is NotebookLM, and it might completely change the way you study.
Simply upload your notes, PDFs, or textbooks, and NotebookLM instantly understands your study material. Unlike normal AI tools, it answers questions directly from your own study materials.
It can even create summaries, flashcards, and practice questions in just a few seconds.
One of its coolest features is turning your notes into an easy-to-follow audio discussion. That means you can review your class material while walking, traveling, or exercising.
But remember, AI works best when your notes are already organized.
The better your notes are,
the better your AI study assistant becomes. For exam preparation, NotebookLM can easily become one of the smartest study tools you'll ever use. Now let's look at an AI tool that can create stunning presentations in just a few minutes. If creating presentations takes you hours, Gamma AI is about to change that. Just type your topic, and Gamma instantly builds an entire presentation for you. It doesn't just create slides, it designs them to look clean, modern, and professional. Need changes? Just tell the AI what you want, and it updates everything in seconds. Your presentations instantly look like they were designed by a professional. That means less time designing and more time focusing on your ideas.
But there's one important thing you should never skip.
Always review your presentation before submitting it. AI can help, but you're still responsible for the final result.
When used correctly, Gamma can help you create outstanding presentations in just minutes instead of hours.
Now let's explore an AI tool that can completely transform the way you take notes during lectures. Our final AI tool is Otter.ai, and it's one every student should know.
It records your lectures and turns them into searchable notes in real time.
Important ideas are automatically organized, making review sessions much faster.
Instead of replaying an entire lecture, you can jump straight to the information you need.
That means less time searching through notebooks and more time actually learning.
Together, these AI tools can completely transform the way students study, research, write, and stay organized. The goal isn't to let AI do your work. It's to help you learn smarter and save valuable time.
Students who use AI responsibly often spend less time struggling and more time understanding.
Technology is changing education, and the students who learn these tools today will have a major advantage tomorrow.
The smartest investment you can make isn't studying longer, it's learning how to study smarter.
If you found these AI tools helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to students who learn how to use AI wisely. I'll see you in the next video.